Hi guys, my name is Brian. In this video, we're going to see how you can transfer your money from Paysafecard to PayPal. In other words, how can you convert your Paysafecard money to PayPal directly? Okay. Now, for most of the people, you know that yes, the easiest way will have been is generating a Mastercard for your wallet, for your Paysafecard wallet. Then you link it in PayPal. That would be the easiest way. But the problem is there's a scenario that you don't want to generate a MasterCard. Okay. If you can do that, actually, that is the most easiest way. And if you go into PayPal community page, you realize actually that is the most option that people advise for you to do is to generate a MasterCard for your wallet. Okay, is you generate a Mastercard for your wallet, then you kind of link it to PayPal. But there's a scenario that you don't want to generate a Mastercard. Okay. The only method to convert pay save card money into PayPal is the Mastercard way. You need to make with the pay save card, pay save Mastercard, and then connect it to PayPal. Now, what if you don't want to use this option? If you can use this option, this is the most easier way. You just generate the card, then you link it to PayPal. That is it. So whenever when the money is on your, when the card is in your PayPal, it means PayPal accesses that money in your PaySafe wallet. Okay. Now there's a scenario like you don't want to generate a card for your PaySafe card. Okay, you don't want to generate a MasterCard. How can you move that money from your wallet to PayPal? Okay, now I took time to search this on different platforms and including Reddit. I've tried it on TikTok, on Facebook. Seems there are no actually clear answers. And actually, I realized even in a PayPal community page, some people were recommending websites. Some of these websites actually were kind of dangerous because when I checked them out, they even expired. Like someone actually recommended this website. Then when I checked it out, the website actually expired some time ago. And actually, the person who used it was scammed. Okay. So this brings us to like, is there an update on how you can transfer this money from Paysafecard to PayPal? Now, I have some few options. It may not be the best solution for you, but currently when I look around, is I see these are the only options that you can do to move your money from Paysafecard to PayPal. Okay, one of it is using websites that accept both the payment gateways. Okay, for example, if you look at this website, it's called g2a.com. It accepts both. It accepts PayPal. It accepts different cards. It even accepts Paysafecard. Okay, platform. It accepts actually a lot of stuff. Okay, so what happens is if you can go to such a website, create an account on this website, try to buy something. Maybe you can buy a gift card, you can buy a software, or you can buy something. Okay, maybe you can buy a game or whatever. Then when you buy that game with your pay self money, you can try to resell it for you can try to resell it and you get paid using PayPal, and that's how you can kind of transfer that money from Paysafecard to PayPal. In other words, you buy using your money on Paysafecard, then you resell that product to get PayPal. Okay, then you can withdraw to your PayPal or whatever might be easier for you. So, in other words, you need a third party to do search and transaction. Okay. Now there are other sites have pays which have pay safe card. Okay, wallet. I think even eBay has it. All you have to do is you try to find something which really won't give you time to sell, so that you can resell it. Okay. In other words, you buy the thing using the money on your wallet, then you resell the thing to get the money to get the PayPal money. Okay. Also, these websites have an option to withdraw the money that someone has paid for your product. You have an option to withdraw that money to PayPal or other options. So that is, when I look around, that is the most actually common way you can try to transfer money from Pay. You can transfer your money from Paysafecard wallets to PayPal, and it may not really be the perfect thing, but as for now, there haven't been easier ways how you can do this. Maybe in the future, let's see in the future if maybe there will be an option you can do the transaction. But as for now, that is kind of looks to be the only way. Okay. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next videos. Okay. Bye bye.